beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how I managed to get rid of my dark neck, although the darkness is actually not really gone, because since I for some months my neck began to get dark, my face, a lot of stuff, and now I've actually been trying to get rid of it, and this is one of the ingredients that I use that I'm going to be showing you, and it works really well. But of course it actually fade up the darkness, not like poof miracle. Okay, so when you're using this, you have to give it a little time to work. Now let me walk you down through the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and then let's go. So the first ingredient I'm going to be using for dark neck is going to be cucumber. Now because cucumber contains the lactic acid, it's going to be very helpful in removing all of the fine lines and darkness at the neck, and it's going to also help to tighten up the skin, revealing a brighter and a more firmer skin. And then I'm going to be making use of tomato. Now tomato is great in brightening the skin. It works wonders in rejuvenating and repairing dead skin cells, and it's also a great boost for the skin. It helps the skin glow, and it also helps to lighten up the skin. And then also we're going to be making use of sugar. Now sugar contains a smaller granite particles that helps to scrub out dead skin cells. It's also a great moisturizing agent to the skin, and it's great for breakouts. It's great for dark neck, dark knuckles and dark under eye. And then we're going to be making use of baking soda. Now baking soda is a great mild exfoliatant to the skin. It works wonders in rejuvenating and repairing the dead skin cells, and it's also a great natural skin boost that works wonders in removing all age-related problems. Alright guys, so now we would have to be cutting the cucumber and also grating it. I'm going to be sieving this all out. I'll equally be grating the tomato. I'll have to transfer that into the same bowl and then give it a little stir. I have to be putting about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Half teaspoon of baking soda, or rather 1 teaspoon, sorry about that. And now I would have to give this a stir. Okay, so you stir really well for all of the mixture to mix evenly together. Alright, so this would actually help in eradicating all of your dark neck, and this is so ideal. So you can use this at most 3 times in a week, okay, for an effective result. Right guys, so here is my dark neck remedy, and here guys, I literally have dark neck now, okay, because of my body changing. So it's actually a concern now, so that's why I am making this remedy. And yeah, I'll be updating you guys how the neck is gonna be like after applying this treatment for some time. Alright, so after doing this guys, what I love to do, or what I am gonna be doing, is to use my hand, okay, and really massage, like massage really well, okay, massage the neck, because man, the target is this neck. So I'm gonna apply more of that. And then we'll massage again, massage again. Actually, give me this towel, or the blue one, anyone. Alright, so have to massage really well. Alright, so although my neck is actually red right now, you can see, but yeah, that's just actually how I'm going to like exfoliate the neck, massage all of the sides too. Alright, it's gonna be red, but the redness is gonna come down, okay? Alright guys, so I'm gonna be leaving this on my neck for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, okay, so I would be washing it off after 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And I would just have to let it sit there, exfoliate all of the dark lines. You can see those dark lines, okay? Exfoliate all of those dark lines, and I'm going to come back for a positive result after a few weeks, okay? Because when you're using this remedy, you would have to give it time to work because it's natural, yeah, okay? So you would apply, exfoliate is scrubbing, okay, and then give it 10 minutes for it to just get into your skin and then work really well. Then you wash it off with a lukewarm water or cool water, follow suit with a toilet soap, and woof, you are on your way to having a brighter and a more glowing, beautiful skin, okay? Now you can also apply it on your skin, on your whole body, like your whole body, okay? And it polishes up your whole body. Like, this ingredient is actually good. When you apply it and leave it, you're going to see that it's going to be gummy, you know, kind of, but do not worry, that's how it works. It works really well. So you can see how I scrub it, like I scrub it with my whole heart. Now, but you don't have to scrub to bruise your skin, but that's actually just the way to scrub it and get rid of all of those darkness, and with little time the darkness will begin to fade off and you are going to be loving it, okay? It is really great and natural, yeah guys, and working really great. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you soon. Bye guys, and mwah.